So here I have one of these Sony CD players, and it looks like the CD stuck and it's not coming up. So we'll see what we can do to fix this guy out. It's the CMT EX1, and immediately I can see that alright, so I need to get a screwdriver. This use electric drill here. I have repaired this exact same version before, and the belt inside, I just used an elastic to help it go up. So I really like the Bose CD player is good, and they don't make, I don't think they make really much these kind of CD players anymore. So that just came off. Okay. Then we can take out the CD. So I got the CD out. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. So in here, they already had an elastic. Okay. It kind of fell off because that is needed to rotate. Getting this belt on is quite a challenge, but it is manageable. Instead of taking all this thing apart, what I do is you get an elastic and just using a wire. This is a fishing wire. Well, that's what you call it. It's not actually a fishing wire. And you want to feed it in behind the gear, just like that, behind this gear here, because this gear, see how it can rotate, and so you'll fish it in like that, and that will pull it in under inside, like so. And then what you can do with a screwdriver, you want to stretch it tight, put one end on the motor side like this, and you can pull it tight there, and when it stretches it'll become thin, and then you can kind of pull the top side over top of this gear by rotating it and then just moving it like that. Then when it's on, you can stretch it and get it on. You're gonna have to stretch it again to get it on this gear right here. So that's basically how I did it. It'll take a while to get it on, but I think that's the fastest trick that I know of, how to get that belt back on. Yeah. So at least that will get your device back in working condition. Okay. Because it is a nice machine. Like, nice machine. But it has mechanical parts, and anytime you have mechanical parts, you know what happens. So we'll get the casing back on. Okay. So I'll show you how it rocks and rolls here. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.